Welcome back to my channel, guys. Subscribe, turn on your notification buttons, and hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I got this today at Asda and it was about how many pounds? Like 25 pounds. Yeah, so I want to unbox it with you guys. Wow. 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 Oh. This is the machine. Wow, almost very heavy. And this is the jug. This is the jug. New blender, don't say it. I'm even enjoying it already. Wow, it looks nice. And this is the cover. Yeah. I hope I will not go spoil it again. But this is the cover. Yeah. This is it. 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 It looks great. It looks nice. Yeah. So if you are seeing my face, if you are watching my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can as well get this at Asda. It's cheap, 25 pounds. Yeah. Maybe to Misha. Guys, I also got this water filter. I think the water I've been drinking here has not been palatable. So now that I have the money, it's just 8 pounds. Don't give me that kind of So it's time for it to start its work. So I need to unbox it. It's just 0.5 liter water jug. Just add your water. See? It looks nice. It looks nice. It looks nice. It looks nice. I think this is the filter. Wow. See? Wow. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You'll see more of my face. I don't know. I just have to put this. I don't even know what the sound inside now. I don't know what this one is for. I think. Yeah. I think so. It's set to be used. Yeah. So you just put your water and make sure it filters it, then you can drink it then. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you.